Today we are going to talk about SDG number 5, gender equality. Here we got the XMind tool. So some things are legal frameworks for non-discrimination and equality, access to reproductive rights for women, full participation in leadership and decision making, eliminate forced marriages and genital mutilation, and bring awareness to violence against women. Gender equality is not only a fundamental human right, but a necessary foundation for a peaceful, prosperous, and sustainable world. There are still some places where women are not allowed to vote. Many African countries still have forced marriages and genital mutilation. Many countries have not implemented a non discriminatory law on the basis of gender when hiring, which we will see in the next slide. Here we see that all these countries in red do not have a law that mandates non-discrimination based on gender when hiring, which that's a lot of countries. My group is doing Japan, so we're going to compare it against the USA. So 3% of women in Japan have suffered from physical or sexual violence from an intimate partner, which is 4.2% in the United States. So they are about the same, very close. 9.68% of women in Japan hold a seat in national parliament, which jumps up to 27.65% in the United States, which we will look at in the next slide as well. As we can see here, this is the proportion of seats held by women in national parliaments. And we can see that many places are still in the light blue area, which means that women are not being represented at 50% or more in very many places. Some solutions would be implement laws that make it illegal to discriminate on the basis of gender when hiring, paying, property rights, etc. Ensuring all women have access to reproductive rights, completely eradicate forced marriages and genital mutilation, eliminate violence against women, and ensure that women are being represented in leadership and decision making roles.